Well, somebody mentioned this week that it would be a good idea to put in a small wildlife pond into the garden. And I was thinking to myself, why not try it? I didn't really want to spend an absolute fortune. So I went out today and tried to do it on a budget. I've come back from B&M of all places with a 55 centimetres plastic oval planter, which I paid £5 for, a fern, which is an evergreen fern from my local garden centre, and some bedding plants. These were a really good price here, these begonias. These begonias here were 20 begonias for £3.50. I've also got 2 large stones, which were only, I think they were £4 something each. So you can't really go wrong for that. And 2 other small begonia plants. So I did get 3 bags of these North Sea cobbles. And the thing is now is to try and look for an area that I can put it into. I was thinking maybe of moving the water feature. But then an even easier place to put it would be just here at the front. It's away from any trees, which is ideal, so I won't get any leaves falling in it, and it's in quite a lot of shade here. So I've got to move a few of these plants about. Just take these small plants out, which won't take me long, and dig a large hole and bury this plastic planter into the hole. So let's go. So I've decided to go then with the original plan and move the water feature. So I've made a start now, digging the hole. So let's carry on and see how far we can get today. Right, so I filled it up with some pebbles and some gravel. The pebbles I have washed before I put them in there. Well, I just rinsed them in some water. So I've tried to make a slope so that any wildlife or hedgehogs or anything that might go in there can get out quite easily. And time now to plant up around the wildlife pond. So I've actually finished now the little wildlife pond in the garden. It didn't take me long, about 2 hours from start to finish. I love pebbles in the garden, and as you can see, I've really gone overboard here. I've covered the actual pond edges completely, as much as I could, with the pebbles. Added some ferns and some begonias. And I think that really is a job well done in the garden. Add a little bit of interest into this little border here. So I hope you've enjoyed watching me working in the garden today and creating this pond, and hopefully I've inspired you to go out and do something similar and get some wildlife into your garden. So until next time, thank you very much for subscribing, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.